Welcome to SH Tutorials. Today we are going to write our first C++ program, and this is a C++ compiler known as Dev C++. There are many other compilers as well, like Visual Studio, CodeBlocks, etc. But this is a really good one, so we are using it. To write a C++ program, first we need to open a source file, and we do it by pressing Ctrl and N. So here we have a new file, and starting off we have to write hash include iostream. So hash include iostream, what does it mean? This basically is a preprocessor directive, a header file, and it includes in every C++ code. It is basically including input output stream, and input output stream basically the library that is used so you can use the input and output functions in our program. After that we write using namespace std, and then we introduce our main function. There can be so many functions in a single program, but there must be a single main function for a C++ program to successfully run. So then we have put it the parentheses here, and these parentheses, the left parenthesis marks the start of a program, the start of the function, and the right parenthesis means that the end of the function has come. So here we write a output command which is cout, and then the output operator, and then we have to write the inverted commas, and anything we write in between the inverted commas is going to be straight away printed to the output screen. Now I'm writing hello world, and then there's a semicolon which we have to put at the end of every C++ statement because it includes in the C++ syntax. So now your first C++ program is made, and now you need to compile and run. This is the command for this, and you need to save the file. I save it by intro to C++. I have just given a name, you can do whatever you want, and save it and wait for it to compile. It's written processing C++ file. It shows 0 errors, 0 warnings, and your code has compiled successfully, and it shows hello world, congratulations. So that's all for today.